So at this current moment, AI is creating me an app for a business that I run. He's creating a mobile app. This is it running this process. And this is just the icon of my iPhone, because it's the mobile app. And once it's done, it's going to tell me to screen here so that it can load to my iPhone. Now, I'll show you so far where it is. It's doing the update because there's another module I want added to it. I want another function to the mobile app. And it's still on go ahead, open it here. I should have had this sitting down. Okay. It's still working. Let me see if, yeah, one of these is the old one that I had. Let's see. Yeah, it won't even load the old ones now because it's updating. Is this going to show it? Okay, yeah, this is the old one. So this is an old one. I've changed the whole format now, but this is it. It'll have you scan here. After it's done with all the codes, it'll have you scan here, and this is how it'll load up. The app will show up for you. Now you go through here and you decide, what you do and you don't want, or what you do and don't need for the app, or something you want to add to, adjust to, or whatever. Me, I chose to change the whole concept of it, and that's what it's doing here. Click to refresh. So it's doing something. Okay. It probably lost connection. Probably lost internet connection in there somewhere. But at any rate, not sure how long that update is going to take. But at any rate, it's creating me an app. That's how powerful AI is. That's how much you can do with AI. You see all these videos, people loading up saying how you can be a millionaire with AI and this and that and the other. Well, I don't know what their bank accounts look like. I'm only listening to the podcast interviews that they're doing. And this is where I received a tip from how to create your own app, because that's what I wanted. I'm trying to alleviate the middleman. Well, I am alleviating the middleman. And that's how I wanted to do it, by creating my own app. I didn't want to be paying all these processing fees. And this is one way I could do it, create my own app. I already have everything else I need for the business, but I didn't want to be paying all those processing fees. If you get caught up in processing fees for a year, depending on what it is, I'm here in Michigan, and most process servers, which are also apps, they charge you somewhere between 2.2%. I know here they can't go higher than 6 point something, because the state tax on any item that you purchase here in Michigan is 6%. So they can't go higher than that here. So somewhere in there. But anyway, you can get paid. Someone could pay you $10 for a service, but you only receive like $8 and something cent because of the process fee. No, I don't want to do that. Keep doing that all throughout the month, all throughout the year, and you end up probably paying like $8,000. I mean, not $8,000, but like $800 to $1,000 in service, in processing fees. Don't want to do that. So I was watching some videos on how to create your own app, and I came across, Ash Cash, his podcast. Ash, I believe it's Ash Cash. ASHKASH. Ash Cash. He was interviewing a lady, the queen of AI. She's called, I don't recall her name. But at any rate, came across his podcast, and she was speaking of how you can create apps with AIs, well, how you can make money with AI apps and this, that, and the other, ChatGPT. The person he was speaking to in regards to creating the apps, I can't recall his name. but he's a young black man as well, and he sold everything he had, moved to Africa and doing some other stuff. He was already a millionaire, but he spoke of how he created his own apps using AI. And I went to this site, just like he said, and that's what I'm doing. It's Roark.com, RORK.com, RORK.com. That's the site. And yeah, this is the second day I've been that I've taken time to work with it and see how it goes. And yeah, AI is powerful, but at the same time it's dangerous. You know, because with this, even it can even tell you if the codes are bad. You know, you can take the codes, copy and paste them over to Chat GPT, and Chat GPT will tell you if the codes are good or bad. One thing Chat GPT can't do is tell you how to fix the code. So if something goes wrong with the app, I don't know how to fix it because I don't know how to code. So I'm going to have to pay someone to fix it. So therefore, I need to learn how to code and go further with AI because I don't want to be totally dependent on it. That's where people run into trouble. They're getting caught up in how, okay, yep, you can make a lot of money, you can do this, you can do that. Okay, but what happens when something goes wrong with that app? How are you going to fix it? How are you going to get AI to fix it? You're going to have to pay somebody who's well versed in technology, in coding, to go in there and fix that. Because it's not like regular data entry where you can go in there, you can remove one character and put the correct one in there. No. When you find the correct line that's broken or that has been damaged or corrupted, you're going to have to recode that entire line. And that entire line needs to correspond with the previous line or the function that is coded with. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can go in there and mess up everything. Well, one, if you don't know what you're doing, you don't even know what to look for. So, you know, with that, yeah, AI is good. It does some good things, but I just encourage people to go further in learning AI, taking some time with AI every day, whether it's Chat GPT, whatever you're doing. I'm trying to create or formulate something here. I'm almost wondering if my computer has frozen. Don't think an update would take that long. Maybe it's taking that long because I'm adding on to the same program, the same app, project, what it's called. Learn the terms is good as well. So I just encourage you all, do that. Just don't get caught up in, I can make millions with AI, this, that, and the other. Okay, yeah, AI will code out everything you need to get everything running the way you need. There are some adjustments that you will need to make. It's not that hard. It has instructions for you on how to do things. If you want to rearrange something or add something to it, tell you what to type in the line. It gives you the code. It tells you what to do. But as far as formulating, if you don't know how to do that and something gets broken, corrupted, etc., how are you going to fix it? You can copy and paste that code over into ChatGPT all day, and it'll tell you, yes, this code is broken. ChatGPT fix the code. You can't fix the code because it didn't generate the code. It's AI, but that AI program did not generate the code. So what are you going to do? You're going to need someone to fix that for you. So I encourage, get knowledgeable with AI. Don't be afraid of it. Yeah, it can be dangerous, but it can also be used for a good thing. I encourage you not to totally depend on technology to do everything for you. I encourage you to continue to learn. You're still going to need brick and mortar. I don't care what anyone says about any of this technology. Yes, it is good. Whatever you can do with it, good with it, do with it. But you're still going to need brick and mortar, because when it comes to fixing or correcting a code, a broken code or a broken line, you're going to need a human to do that. If you don't know how to do it, you're going to need a human to do that. if they can do it. I'm pretty sure they can, but you're still gonna need someone who codes. You're gonna need some type of engineer. Anybody, all you people going to school for engineering, technology, and those things, please don't get discouraged. To let people tell you, oh, you're gonna go to school 48 years, you're gonna get that degree, and AI is putting you out of business. You can't even find a job because of AI. Don't lose hope with that. We still need you. We still need you in some type of way. Oh, it's telling me my disk space is low. I don't know how that is when okay, so I got some maintenance to do here on my laptop. And if it's doing all that, then I am done for the night because it is late and I am tired. So I just can pick this up tomorrow. But yes, I encourage you all to get familiar with AI. Study it little by little, piece by piece, however you have to do it. Please don't be intimidated by it. But please know that you still should learn brick and mortar as well. Don't just totally lean and depend on technology, because at some point in time, technology will turn on you. It's not always your friend.